Good morning to one and all, class 12th. Today we'll start the seventh video of your chapter, The Red Trap, from your book, Flamingo Year. So students, today we'll start our chapter here from He Looked at the Young Girl. With this chapter, with this page here, that is your page number 41. So let's start your chapter. So what was going on earlier? That girl, Edla, she convinced her father or she managed to convince her father in like some or other way that father, I want that man, that peddler, to stay here and do something like that, and ate his food and keeping relaxed over here without any fear or of being arrested or interrogated. And it is her wish that he enjoys a day with us at their house, and just one day in a whole year. And his father just warned her that if something wrong has happened, so you are only the one who was responsible for all those things. So let's read from here. He looked at the young girl who had interceded for him. Why had she done it? What could the crazy idea be? So that stranger, he looked at that young girl and he had interceded here, means act in a way that prevents something or like that. And why she had done, what could the crazy idea be? क्या आइडिया है, क्रेजी आइडिया इसके पीछे हो सकता है? आफ्टर दैट Christmas Eve at Ramsey passed just as it always had. The stranger did not cause any trouble because he did nothing but sleep the whole forenoon. He lay on the sofa in one of the guest room and slept at one stretch. At noon they woke him up so that he could have his share of the good Christmas fare, but after that he slept again. It seemed as though for many years he had not been able to sleep as quietly and safely as at Remjo's. In the evening, when the Christmas tree was lighted, they woke him up again, and he stood for a while in the drawing room, blinking as though the candlelight hurt him. But after that, he disappeared again. 2 hours later, he aroused once more. He then had to go down into dining room and eat the Christmas fish and porridge. So here in this paragraph, after that. When he thought of that every now and then he was looking at the young girl and who took his side and who made her do this. So thought of that crazy idea. And after that Christmas Eve, that Rainbow was celebrated as it had always been. So the father and daughter faced no problem from the stranger because he kept he kept sleeping over there. So they felt there was no problem, and in the afternoon he was awakened so that he could have his share of Christmas fare, but then he again went to bed. So it could be easily known for both of them that he had never had such a quiet and safe sleep he was having at Ramjo's house. सो योर जो है इन पैराग्राफ्स में हमें ये बताया जा रहा है कि कैसे वो जो स्ट्रेंजर है उसे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई. क्यों प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई? बिकॉज अगेन एंड अगेन वो क्या करता जा रहा था, स्ट्रेंजर की वजह से डॉटर एंड फादर को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बिकॉज वो हर बार अपना वर्क फिनिश करता है. दैट मीन्स ईटिंग फूड एंड जो भी उसे करना होता वो करता, एंड ही अगेन स्लैप्ट. सो दैट इज़ हिज वर्क. वो जो भी खाता पीता जो भी करता, सो बिकॉज वाई ही केप्ट हिमसेल्फ बिजी इन दैट स्लीपिंग, बिकॉज ही sleep as quietly and safely as here at Ramjo's. So in the evening when Christmas tree was lighted and they woke him up again. So what was going on there again? So in the evening when they lighted the Christmas tree, they asked him, that daughter and father, they asked him to again wake up, and he stood for some time in the drawing room and kept ब्लिंकिंग हिज आइज बिकॉज ऑफ द लाइट. बिकॉज जब कोई बहुत ज़्यादा देर सोता है तो उसे अचानक अगर लाइट सामने आती है तो वो अपनी आइज़ को ब्लिंक ही करता है, एंड विच सीम टू बी हर्ट. और ऐसा लग रहा था दीज लाइट्स हर्ट्स हिम अ बिट बट फ्रॉम द कैंडल लाइट. बट देन time in the drawing room he kept blinking his eyes to be heard from the candlelight, and but then again he went to sleep, and again he ate his food and he went to sleep. And after 2 hours, as they wake him up one more time, or 2 hours के बाद जब उसे वापस वो उठाते हैं, so that he could go down into the dining again room again and enjoy his Christmas fish and porridge there. As soon as they got up from the table, he went around to each one present, said thank you and good night. But when he came to the young girl, she gave him understand that it was her father's intention that the suit which he wore was to be Christmas present. He did not have to return it, and if he wanted to spend next Christmas Eve in a place where he could rest in peace and be sure that no evil would befall him, he would be welcomed back again. So, here, when everybody present had got up from the table and he reached all the persons one by one and said thank you and good night, but when it was turned to the young girl and she told him that her father wanted him to keep that suit. So जब उनकी क्रिसमस ईव थी और क्रिसमस ईव पे सभी लोग उनके प्रेजेंट्स और गिफ्ट्स देकर जा रहे थे, एट दैट टाइम डॉटर ने उस स्ट्रेंजर को बताया दैट ये जो तुमने क्रिसमस ईव के लिए जो ये सूट पहना है, दैट इज़ लाइक अ प्रेजेंट फ्रॉम माई फादर्स साइड एंड देयर इज़ नो नीड टू गिव दैट प्रेजेंट. तुम्हें ये प्रेजेंट को रिटर्न करने की कोई नीड नहीं है. ओनली यू हैव टू just keep that present with you, and which he was wearing on the Christmas present, and he would like to spend next Christmas Eve. And daughter asked him that if you would like to spend that Christmas Eve with them, so without being disturbed or fearing unusual incident, he did not need to hesitate and he would बी वेलकम्ड अगेन. तो उसको हेजिटेट करने की कोई नीड नहीं है. ही वुड बी लाइक वेलकम्ड हियर एंड ही कैन स्टे हियर फॉर दैट. And the stranger here, the man with the rat traps did not answer anything to this. He only stared at the young girl in boundless amazement. So वो जो मैन है वो कुछ कहता नहीं है, बट वो ओनली स्टेयर करता है उस यंग गर्ल को, बिकॉज ही वॉज अमेज्ड to see that girl. The stranger had no word in the reply but kept staring the face of the girl in the boundless amazement here. So students, let's read the last paragraph of this page. The next morning, the iron master and his daughter got up and in good season to go to early Christmas service. Their guest was still asleep and they did not disturb him. When at about 10 o'clock they drove back from the church, the young girl sat and hung her head even more. So what was going on there कि father और जो daughter हैं, so they following the on the next following morning, the iron master and his daughter, they both left their bed in the early morning because they knew that they want to go to there at the church, and they had to go to early Christmas service because उनके जो क्रिसमस की जो भी रिचुअल्स उन्हें फॉलो करने थे चर्च में, दे हैव टू रीच देयर एंड सीइंग देयर गेस्ट स्टिल अस्लीप, और देखते हैं कि उनका गेस्ट जो है वो अभी भी सो रहा है. दे लेफ्ट हिम स्लीपिंग व्हेन इट एट 10 o'clock. वो उसे 10 o'clock के टाइमिंग के आसपास सोता हुई छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. दे वर हीडिंग बैक टू देयर होम, और जब वो 10 o'clock घर वापस आते हैं, अर्ली मॉर्निंग चले जाते हैं और 10 o'clock जब घर वापस आते हैं, व्हेन दे हीडिंग बैक एट देयर होम, द यंग गर्ल वॉज सिटिंग हैंगिंग हर हैंड विथ डिजेक्शन. सो जो यंग गर्ल है वो थोड़ा सा परेशान हो जाती है. एट चर्च समबडी वॉज सेइंग दैट मैन सेलिंग rat traps had dropped one of the old crofters of the iron box. एंड वो ये एक्सप्लेन करती है कि वहाँ उसने ऐसे सुना था दैट ओल्ड वो जो rat trap सेलर है उसने किसी ओल्ड मैन को क्या करा है, क्रॉफ्टर जो है दैट मीन्स अ फार्मर हु वर्क्स ऑन अ स्मॉल फार्म, उसके फार्म पे या उसके घर पे उसने रॉब, सो ही हैड robbed that one of the old craftsmen who worked in an iron box. So this is was like that. And here that story here is when even after knowing and they managed to just keep that man in their house. So जब वो चर्च से आते तो she felt a little afraid when she heard of all those stories. So students, thank you all. We'll continue the next pages of our chapter in our next video. Thank you.